I really feel bad when I look at these new developers. Like, this is the time you have. Either you can make yourself or you can break yourself. Right now, there is a lot of confusion, a lot of information. You have to filter out a lot of data and get the one which you needed. I really don't understand that how you will get the benefit after watching these AI models videos. Like this particular model got launched. What is the benefit it's going to bring to you? You will have this particular information. It distracted you for your core learning, whatever you are focusing, whatever you are developing. It distracted you from there. So I really don't understand that why you are running after this AI agent, AI tools, AI model, open source. If you are absolute beginner, it's not for you. Your work is to focus on your coding skill. If you really want to see yourself as a developer, you want to pursue your career in this particular industry, then this coding agent will help you to foster your development. It's not going to take you and get you in the company. Mark my word, if you think that you're going to avoid the manual coding, you're not going to learn about the fundamentals, JavaScript, data structure. These are the important concepts. Those who fed you this information that right now you don't need to learn coding, AI can do all the work. Yes, definitely it can do for building a toy application in your platform which you can run in your own system. If you want to deploy, there is a lot of tools out there which you can help you to deploy. But if you really want to think of building a business out of it, then there it's require a lot of things. If you truly try to understand the nature of this agent model, that how they are behaving, how they're building the application, you will find a lot of loopholes. And when you are learning, when you are building project with these models, you don't understand that how this model exactly behave and what are the loopholes they have. I can see sometimes they make such a silly mistakes, and sometimes just try to override and just try to convince you that this is not the particular stage which you have to follow. If you really want to guide and have the full control over this AI model, then you have to know the structure, how the system design exactly work. I'm really fed up with all these YouTubers. They have totally switched to this AI. I really don't understand that why they're making same videos over and over again. Like Kimi, Open, China, ChatGTP, Claude. This is the same repetitive content you are getting over and over again. And right now you can see the view is absolutely insane. I don't have any problem with those video, but I have the problem with the intention, because majority of those viewers who are watching this video is new developer, like those who are confused at the moment. This is the time for you to learn the fundamentals, to build your foundation. After that, you can use this AI model very easily, because if you don't know how this AI infrastructure is working, like the basics behind it, then how you can utilize it. When you will start looking at the repository, you will have no confusion. Like you will have no idea that what exactly happening, how you're going to utilize those model into your project, how you can fine tune that, how this model exactly work, which one is better for you, for a smaller model, for a bigger project, how you can know all of this. You have to understand that what you are watching, where you are spending your time. Don't waste your time. I'm telling you, don't waste your time. If you are in your college, this is the time for you, because if you go into the company, they want you to have the skills. This AI infrastructure is good, so you have to ask yourself that what exactly you want to be. Do you want to become an AI developer where you're going to build the entire AI model from scratch? Ask yourself. Or you want to become an AI application developer where you're going to use this AI model, fine tune it, and integrate it in your project. So you have to ask yourself that what roadmap you have to pick. Don't watch this video randomly every single time. If you watch one video, you will have another video. You will have another video. Right now, like video, image generation tools are bombarded. Like every single company is coming with this internal tooling where you can generate a beautiful videos, beautiful tools. So don't be in this particular trap, because right now the most difficult task for you is to filter out the information that what is needed for you, where you are, how much time you have, how much money you can put, and where you want to direct yourself. That's the most important thing which you have to focus. If your goal is to just watch video, learn about this AI tools, not focus on dedicated to the development field, then you can go and watch. You can use these tools to build a simple marketing system, automation. You can do that. There's no problem with that. Tons of tools are there which you can able to simply drag and drop and connect, and you will have the tool. But if you really want to learn about the system design, build in a complete project, complete business working in these tech fields, there you need the skills. If you try to avoid this part, that is going to be a very tough time for you. Trust me, just like very tough time for you. You're going to have it. So that's the only thing I won't tell you, because the moment I get the questions like this tools, that tool, this is what I have to do, that's what I have to do, like where I have to start the coding or not, should I avoid it or should I focus on it, I know there is a lot of confusion, and these techs YouTubers are creating a lot of confusion because they need to get the views, and that's what they're after right now. So your work is for the next 3 to 4 months to focus on coding. Build your foundation in any programming language. Once you will have the foundation in one particular programming language, it would be easy for you to switch to any other programming language, and you will know better this AI tools and how it works and how you're going to utilize it in your project, in your software which you're going to develop. And that will open the door for you to get into the industry. You can build your portfolio that I know this language, this is what I have built, this is how I have designed the system, and how I am calling this AI model into the project, which can provide better usability to better features to the user. So that's the way you have to think. If you are thinking that you're going to avoid the coding part, then you're going to be in a huge trap, and you will just waste your time. You will have no idea that how quickly this time will flow. So 3 to 4 months is going to be one of the most important time for you. Right now, start. Just give dedicatedly 3 to 4 months. Take the help of learning. If you are learning a programming language, you can take the help. Check the example. Build your foundation. Once you're done with that, after that, when you will enter and use this AI infrastructure, you will have better understanding that how this AI exactly work. And when you're going to utilize this AI in your code base, you will understand that what problem it can create. So I'm not against this AI because I use extensively in our company. Every single developer we have in the organization, they have this 200 plan, and they work extensively each day because we want to focus on efficiency. We want to have the project in faster. But those developers we have in our organization are trained developers. They have already given 3 years, 4 years before they start using this coding agents. So think in that way. Think logically that where you are spending your time, watching reel, watching videos will not help you a lot. Just check your time, that how much time you are spending on YouTube, how much time you are giving for writing actual code. Write some code. That will give you steadiness. That will give you focus. Because generating is just a word. Right now, even you don't need to type. You can use Whisperflow and you can simply say. So it's taking most of the labor. But then when you type something, it brings the connection, and that's what you need. Just bring that connection for the next 3 to 4 months. You will be in much better place as compared to those developer. That's the only thing I want to tell you at the moment.